You need to know these 5 secrets from the book The Intelligent Investor that no one knows. Number 1. Investing versus speculating. Imagine you're at a flea market. Investing is like carefully choosing a vintage item you know is valuable and will appreciate over time. Speculating is like picking something random, hoping it'll be worth a lot tomorrow. The book advises being the smart picker, not the hopeful gambler. Number 2. Margin of safety. Think of buying stocks like buying a bicycle helmet. You want some extra protection. The book suggests buying stocks when they're priced lower than their real worth. That way, if the stock market goes a bit crazy or a company has a tough time, you're not left with a big bruise. Number 3. Mr. Market. Imagine the stock market is a character in a play. Sometimes it acts like a drama queen, making prices swing like a roller coaster. The book tells you not to let Mr. Market's drama sway your decisions. Stay cool and collected, like you're ordering food from a menu, not letting the waiter's enthusiasm trick you into ordering everything. Number 4. Long-term perspective. Picture your investments as a garden. You plant seeds and nurture them, knowing they'll grow into beautiful plants over time. The book suggests doing the same with stocks. Look at the company's health and potential to grow. Short-term price swings are like weather changes, but long-term growth is what matters. Number 5. Diversification and research. Imagine you're picking teams for a game. You want a mix of players with different strengths to cover all your bases. The book advises a similar approach with investing. Spread your money across different companies to lower risks. But don't go overboard. You're not building a sports league.